Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since there's been a makeup video and here we are. So I'm going to transform from this into this. The Real Housewives of Slayville. Here we are, bitch. So welcome back. So in today's video I'm basically going to show you guys how I got my alien drag queen look from my recent music video, Live It Up. This one here.
Yes, we have just landed. I'm like Willy Wonka, making my roll conquer. Strapping you in now, watch out for that plonker. Spinning me around, double tap now, I'm on ya, cool, like Madonna.
So I'm basically just going to show you guys how I got the look. So I'm just going to take you guys through the steps of how I did it. So naturally we always start with foundation first. So I'm just going to go and do that for you guys, which you guys probably see me do loads of times, so we'll make it quick. The forehead is unleashed. Right, there you go guys. Nice and pasty because it's not the right shade for my skin tone. But anyway, it does the job. So I think I've literally told you guys like 10 million times now in my videos, but so I go in with the Revolution Conceal and Define, for those who do not know. This was the wrong match for my skin tone, so I'm kind of just trying to use it out as best as I can. But as you can tell, it's not that bad, but I definitely look pasty because my skin tone is naturally tan, and this is far too light for me, but oh well, it's what it is. So, and then I go in with the Ordinary foundation because it's more runny and I feel like it sits on my, I guess, stubble, my beard area a lot better than this one does, because this one kind of just flakes on my beard area. I don't know why, but this one doesn't. Well, it does a little bit, but it's not as bad as this one. So we're done now with the foundation, so I can take the silly thing off my head. By the way, so I'm getting my hair cut properly in like a week's time. I'm gonna have a nice day. I'm gonna get my hair cut and getting crowned at the same time. Yay, great. So I'm gonna do start on the eyeshadow pretty much now because I didn't have an eyeliner for this look. Gagged. So I'm gonna get in my BH Ultimate Matte 42 colour eyeshadow palette. Yes. I'm gonna go in with this dark, sexy pink here. So yeah, and I'm just gonna go and put that in the kind of cut crease. And basically make a winged eyeshadow effect with it. Oh, they all look quite clean, okay. That's the first for me. I'm gonna go and put the dark pink on my eye now. Hey guys, so I completely forgot I was filming a YouTube video. So this is a clean brush and I went in just to kind of blend the colour out. So I'm going to go under the eye now with the pink. Right, there we are, we'll work with that for now. Yes. What I'm going to do next is that I literally don't even need to do a cut crease. At least I don't think I did for this one. I'm just going to go in with the black down here. This matte, pretty black. And I'm just going to go and put that on the eyelid. Right, so I'm going to go in with the clean brush and just try and blend the black and the pink in together. Right, so that's pretty much done for now. So let's move on, shall we? Right, so now for the fun one. So I'm going to go and put on this glitter, but just in the inner corners of my eyes because it just makes it pop. So this is kind of a bit faffy, but I'm going to try my best, but I'll probably get glitter on the floor, but oh well, I'm going to hoover up later. Alright, so I'm going to go, basically this is glue for the glitter. So I'm going to go and pull it in the inner corner of the eye, and I'm going to basically put the glitter on top, and I'm assuming that's how it works. And I have read it before, but it doesn't really say, but I just did it anyway, so whatever. And then the glitter that sticks, I then go over it again with another layer of this, hey presto, so. I love the glitter in the corner of the eye. I think it makes it look so cute. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to start highlighting and contouring the face. So what I'm going to do, because it's like a pink, kind of predominantly glam, I'm going to do like a pink blush and pink highlight. Everything's going to be pink. So I'm just going to roll with that now. So let's go and do that. Ooh. 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 Right, so there we are. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with the highlighter now. Actually, I'm probably going to go in with the metallic BH Cosmetics palette. This light pink metallic shade here. That's very pretty and is perfect for highlighter. Just going to apply that to the face, darling. Beat this face, yes. Right, and one thing I'm going to do that I don't usually do is I'm going to contour the nose a little bit with the pink colour. It just really adds to the quirkiness of this look. So yes, that's what I'm going to do, guys. I don't usually do it often, so I'll probably do it all wrong, but I liked how it turned out last time. Right, so what I'm going to do, as you can tell, I went a bit over on this side, but not too bad, because I'm going to go in with the highlight now and really define it. So using the pink highlighter again, we're just going to go and highlight the nose. Right, so can you see? Oh, that's quite cute. If it focused, yes. Focused, yes. If it focused, yes. There we go. Gorgeous. Yes, alien. Come into my bedroom. So I'm going to now highlight the eyes, and that should be it, because I've just done a little bit on the Cupid's bow already, so that's pretty much already done. Right, so that's literally pretty much the face done. I would say if you had a good white waterliner, which I don't, I'd definitely put a white in the waterline, and that will really make the colours pop a bit more. But I need to invest in one, because the one that I do have literally lasts for like 5 minutes and just washes out, so there's no point even using it. Right, I can't find my actual lip liner for some reason, but I'm going to go in with my black waterliner, and because that also works as a very good lip liner. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with a black lip liner, waterliner over, and I'm going to go and blend in this neon pinky colour. So yes, very cute. Right, so there we are, guys. That's the lips done, that is the face done, that is the beauty done, yes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and put on my Wigglicious, yes. And then I'm going to go and basically put on the outfit that I was wearing for the music video. So it's my like full drag look. It's basically a thong, I guess. So I'll give more tea on the outfit. One a minute. Oh hey guys, nice to meet you. So my name's Sex on a Plane, and here we are. So literally, oh, a bit of hair going there. I feel like the hair looks a little bit different, so I feel like I've actually done it a bit better than I did last time. But yeah, so one thing I was going to ask you guys, because I know I have some like wig pros who watch my channel, why is my hair looking like this wig looking dead there, but then it looks fine underneath? Is it because once you start brushing the wig, it kind of just goes a bit, I don't know. So help a gal out, thanks. I don't have any foundation powder, but because my skin's pretty much very similar to that anyway. Basically, I need to get some foundation powder, and then I can put in the part-in piece to make it look better. And as far as baby hairs go, I'm not really that bothered. I tied up at the back, and that's how I get this look. And I feel like it goes better with this wig. I don't know if you can see it at the back, but it just looks like a mess probably. But it does the job. So I was thinking, I don't know, I mean, should I invest in the curler to make it like this? So, but I mean, you know, it was a cheap wig, but it is the best wig that I've got. I have ordered another one off Wish actually. That it's going to take like 2 months to arrive. But it was on sale. I only got it for like $15, so it must have been like £13 or something, £12.50 maybe. So yeah, that'll be coming soon. That's a straight wig, because I wanted to get a straight one. Just like me, you know, I just want to get it so straight. So yeah, anyway guys, so this is the look. this is my recreation of me in full drag as well. I'm in outfit. Yes, work, bitch. Oh, I'm eating my wig. So yeah, I just thought I'll throw this on and put shorts on underneath. So yeah, I mean, I guess I couldn't have done, but I feel like YouTube would have taken it down because it would have been too sexual if I was running around in the thong. So, and you know, who knows? Maybe I'll get into performing live one day. I'd love to do some like lip syncs like Britney Spears or something. So slave for you, and I want to get some glue for my wig so that I can, you know, do hair flips and it not come flying off every time I do it. So yeah, you know, it's just money, and it's just money that I can't fathom spending out at the moment just on wigs and stuff. I don't know, maybe I should invest in it. I've got enough money to get like a decent wig and a decent outfit. I'm just very savvy with money like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more fun from me, yes. Nathan X Savage, yes honey, don't you forget it. Come back, hit the bell, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.